You having a good day? Are you having a good day?
What's up, party people? Day 11 of Vlogmas. Welcome to the channel, Full Octane Creations. We are here in my garage, about to do something a little special to
Old Bessie.
this Honda Civic.
Old Bessie.
Now, if you look over here, these headlights are a little yellow, and so are these. And by a little yellow, I mean they're more yellow than my piss. What we're gonna do is try out what all these YouTubers hype up about this Meguiars two-step headlight restoration kit. Now it says no drill required. They offer 3 variations of this kit. So you have a light variation, a moderate, and a severe. So we've got the moderate. With this one, you don't need a drill. It should just be a simple clean and wipe application. So we'll go through that process here in a bit. So Merry Vlogmas, let's get on with the video. If you guys are still here or hear from other videos, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. And if you see us doing anything wrong or have any tips for detailing, let us know, because we're noobs, we're amateurs. Let's get it going. Alright, so first things first, what we did is we went ahead and took a video of what these headlights were like before. So these headlights right now are really shitty. So what we wanted to do is make sure that we captured what it looked like before, so that way we can compare what the headlights look like afterwards. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by prepping the headlights, masking everything off, and then going from there. Well, I guess first I'm gonna read the instructions. I'm just assuming we mask stuff because that's what all the YouTube people do, but let's see if they're full of shit or not. Alright, I don't know how to read.
That's interesting. I'm not convinced I know how to read. I've just memorized a lot of words.
So first things first, for best results, apply to clean, cool, and dry headlights in the shade. Mask around headlight before use. Ha, we were right. Immediately remove any overspray from any surrounding surface. If overspray occurs, remove with rubbing alcohol. Avoid spraying on breezy days. Over here, it's always easy breezy cover girls, so that might be a problem. I don't want to read all this to you guys, so just watch me do it, and I'll probably talk about it. Yeah, let's do it that way. Alright, the first headlight is prepped and masked. Might be an overkill, but better safe than sorry. Take a last good look of what it looks like now. Let's go. Oh shit. Alright, so we have in this magic box that is Meguiars, we have the cleaning solution and the headlight coating, and then 2 bristle pads to use, or whatever these are called, cleaning pads. Supposedly you're gonna get a frosted look from this, so what I'm thinking is happening is you're basically cleaning the headlight, sanding it, getting grooves in there, so that way when we get to a point to apply the coating solution, the coating goes into the grooves that we sanded and does some science stuff with lights and refraction to make it look clear. So I'm assuming that's what's going to happen, because it's going to look frosted, and it's going to look really bad, and if we screw it up, well then I owe my girlfriend some new headlights. So let's hope I don't do that. So let's get the rest of the supplies that I need really quick.
Good to go.
Alright, so we just watched the YouTube video just to make sure we knew what we were doing, but let's see. Alright, so 1/4 size application, and it might help if I Ripperino. Ripperoni. Alright, that might.
I gotta zoom in on that too.
See, you guys should learn from my mistakes. Alrighty. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Why did that sound like Mario?
Yeah, Mario Bros. I was just about to say, you're in the castle fighting Bowser?
I know, right? Alrighty. Oh, yeah, we're gonna need way more. Clean, clean, clean.
Cinderella, Cinderella.
Oh, we need more. We need more. More!
We need more of that clean shit. Oh.
I just sucked it right in. It said, nah, fam. It said, nah, fam.
Oh, that was great. Perfect timing.
These are very long, large headlights.
Long, large headlights that have been doing absolutely nothing for who knows how long. Did he do this once or twice? I can't
He
remember.
did this a couple times until he got a foggy lens.
Ours was already a foggy lens.
Yeah, but now it's not yellow.
Yeah.
So before it was yellow, so already the cleaning solution's making it a little less yellow. Now it's pretty foggy. So,
Let's still do it one more time.
yeah, I'll probably do it a couple or maybe one more time to see. Alrighty.
Still way better than the other
Yeah,
one, which I
holy
won't show till we're done.
shit. That's a crazy difference already. Already. And that's pretty foggy.
It's like Elmer's glue.
Yeah. Also, this whole thing was an overkill because looking at videos, all they did was mask it with painter tape. With painter's tape. I can say words right now.
Kind of smells good.
It smells clean. I thought you were gonna lick it.
No, it smells really good. Actually.
Alright.
It doesn't really just smell clean. It smells like a really good like cologne shampoo for men or something like that, or like a body wash. That smells really good.
So far, I'm impressed.
I'm about to clean my whole car with this just for the smell. Can we buy a candle?
Alright.
Oh yeah, it's even foggier. Oh yeah, look at it just grow.
Yo, that's satisfying as fuck. Alright. So once that gets a little finished getting really foggy, what we're going to do is apply the coating. So apparently the coating is what really does the magic. So you want to apply just a quick, easy one-over coat. Not too much, so that way it doesn't drip. And then apparently it takes about 2 to 3 coats, and you have to wait 2 to 3 minutes between each coat. So it's looking pretty foggy to me. Oh, there's some spots where I missed. Down here, just want to make sure I get all the little nooks and crannies.
All the nooks and grannies.
All the nooks and crannies for this granny of a car, Bessie.
Old Bessie.
Yes, Bessie, Bessie, Bessie.
That's falling apart. Now more because of the car.
Hits it, tires fall off. Wheels fall
Bro,
off.
that's what I feel. Bessie be dying. She on her last limb.
Alrighty. This is the scary part.
Wait, let me get a better angle for it.
Alrighty. Should we move the light over here?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna move the light over here so you guys can see a little bit more what we're talking about. Oh yeah, it looks really foggy. Alright. Alright. Oh! Holy shit. Holy shit. That's just one coat. You can see inside your headlights now. Wild. Alright, on camera you can already tell the difference. Alright, so we are currently cleaning this side of the car while the coating on the other side is drying and curing. So the cure process of the coating is going to take about 24 hours. So on the box it says don't apply any water to your headlights while it is in the cure process. So try to keep your car in a garage, and if you don't have a garage or can't keep your car in a garage, well then just hope it doesn't rain. Because we didn't know that, and it might rain here in Texas. So if we have to do this again, I'll let you know. Science. I believe in science. Science, bitch.
Oh, it's science rules.
The science guy. She looks wet and wild, bro. Oh, Bessie, looks a little wet and wild. Holy shit. That's stupid magic, bro.
I didn't even know that was black in there. There's black plastic in there. Like, I had no idea that was even there.
That's so gnarly. And these headlights were borderline disgusting.
Okay, Bessie's a shit can. She fell apart in the fucking car wash. Bessie, my girl. She fell apart in the car wash. Ripperino, dude. Oh, no. Screw Bessie. Bessie is a garbage can. She's gonna get replaced with a truck later anyways.
Please take my girlfriend from A to B very safely, even though she is mean to you right now. She can hear you.
You know how much shit I talk to Bessie? She still gets me in the A to B, okay?
Like that, there she is. She's done. Demask, 3 coats later. And let's go see if they're any brighter. They should be somewhat brighter. Now it is an older car, so if they're not that much brighter, we're probably just going to get new bulbs, which we were thinking about doing anyways. But even then, that looks nice. That looks clean. It got rid of all the yellow. It looks almost brand new. Might have been a little bit of user error, but either way, we still have product left over, so we can probably use it a couple of times if we need to, or on some of our other cars, if anything. So let's go see if she's any brighter. Not horrible though.
No.
Looks a little better. Not like crazy better. Well, let's go see how it looks at night. Alright, so headlights definitely are performing way better than they were. Not a very big significant difference, but it is significant enough to tell that they are better. You can see a lot more. There's more visibility. Now, is it that amazing Jurassic difference that we saw in the color and the way that they looked? No. But overall, I'd recommend this product for the look and appearance of the car. If your sole purpose is to gain more visibility, I would say also add new bulbs, which is what we're probably going to do. But now they look nice. It got rid of that yellow. So overall, great product. Alright guys, there it is. There is our official review of the Meguiars 2-step headlight restoration. We're going to go ahead and finish detailing Kara's car. Thank you guys again for tuning in for Vlogmas. We got more stuff coming your way, as always. Until the next time, guys. Peace out. Signing out. Bye.